In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money in the Philippines Sendwave. We'll walk through creating or accessing your account, setting up a recipient in the Philippines, verifying your details, and completing a secure transfer, all in a clear, easy to follow flow. Start by opening the Sendwave app. If you already have an account, you can log in right away. If not, tap sign up. When you're signing up, enter your full name as it appears on your government ID, followed by your email address. You'll also be asked for your mobile number and any other details shown on the screen. Take a moment to check for typos. Accurate information helps avoid delays. When everything looks right, tap sign up. Next, check your email for a verification message. If you see an option to verify your email instead of entering a code, go ahead and use that. Once your email is verified, return to the app, enter your email address and your password, and tap login. You'll land on the home screen. From here, you can choose a saved recipient if you already have one. Just select the name and tap add or next to continue. If you're sending to someone new, tap add new recipient. Set the recipient's country to the Philippines. Choose the payment method your recipient will use to receive funds, for example GCash if they want a mobile wallet transfer. Enter the recipient's full name and mobile number exactly as they use them on their account, then fill in the recipient address section. Tap save to store these details. Select your GCash recipient, then tap Continue to Send. You may be asked to verify your email again for security. Complete that and choose Take me to the app to return. Now enter your payment method details such as your card or bank information and tap Next. Review the transfer amount, fees, recipient information, and delivery method. If everything is correct, tap Continue. You'll be prompted to provide your legal name and date of birth. Enter them exactly as shown on your ID, then tap Finish. For identity verification, choose driver's license as the ID type, select your country, and confirm that your card is readable. Follow the on-screen prompts and tap Submit Verification. Once verification is complete, review your transfer one last time and tap Confirm Transfer. That's it. Your money is on its way. If anything doesn't match your recipient's account details, the transfer may fail, so double-check names and numbers. Keep the confirmation for your records, and you'll be ready for your next transfer in just a few taps.